All these niggas watching, that means I gotta stay ready cause they plotting. In my face they smart and talk about me. Falling real hard just like a mamba. I see how they be watching, tryna start a problem. How I'm feeling, I'ma make it, put that on my mama. These niggas hoes.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall and is for the ECW World Television Championship.
Did you hear that, guys? Stand back! Here it comes!
Making his way to the ring, weighing in at 215 pounds, the Hurricane.
Not to be taken lightly. Better be careful, Saxton. You might be mistaken for a supervillain. They could call you Chrome Dome.
What's up with that?
Does this guy really think he's a superhero?
Of course he does, Michael, but more importantly, the WWE Universe believes in him. And so do I.
Here comes the Clown Prince of WWE.
And his opponent, from parts unknown, weighing in at 245 pounds, DOINK the Clown.
Oh, Byron, look. He's wearing a twisted smile, and he's ready to play tricks on opponents or maybe even announcers.
Oh, DOINK the Clown is so upsetting. Get him away from me.
Hey, Saxton, DOINK taught me a few tricks. You want to see them?
I'm out of here.
Finally, Cole, it only took us 6 years.
The past doesn't matter. Here's where it counts. Here is where it's settled. The prize is on the line.
If we want to talk about superstars with a sadistic streak, we have to talk about DOINK. Now, this is the talent who really takes evil clown to a whole other level.
Yeah, don't let the laughs and the makeup fool you. DOINK is one clown you do not want at your birthday party. Believe me.
Byron, of course, knows that from here's a pin for the title. Gets his shoulder up before the 2 count.
Channeling his energy to stay in this matchup.
And he wants nothing to do with any of that. Heads out of the ring, but needs to be mindful of the referee's count here.
Face first with a waistlock takedown.
Oh boy, I think I heard the words. Stand back!
That'll jam your tailbone. Oh, DOINK gets cut off.
Up and around, down with a tilt-a-whirl backbreaker.
Down. Face first. And Corey, it's time to ask the immortal question. How do you stop DOINK the Clown?
When it comes to DOINK, his advantage is psychological as much as physical. So just keep a steady head and try not to freak out when DOINK starts playing the mind games.
Big risk here. He may be counted out.
He might be oblivious to the count, guys.
That'll stop the count, and this match will continue.
I'm glad that wasn't the end of things. Big forearm.
Get back here. Leg lariat. Agility like that is what can set you apart from the rest of the locker room.
Good golly, Miss Molly.
Oh, the thump.
This superstar has a hold of the leg, going round and round.
Now a leg breaker.
An effective attack to the leg can hurt everything from balance to mobility. It can drastically limit you inside the ring.
And now a series of stomps and kicks.
No, that'll break his arm. Vicious. Clothesline.
Oh my gosh, what impact!
Hurricane. Oh, the hurricane.
Oh,
my God,
wait a
what the-
second. Look, you gotta be kidding me. This is happening.
Oh my God, I thought my mind was playing tricks on me. This is brilliant. Twice the evil.
Is that another doink?
A weather warning in effect. The WWE Universe in the presence of an impending hurricane.
Right to the face.
My God.
Get back here. Shoulders down. Championship on the line. And he fights it off.
I didn't think we'd see a kick out there.
The Hurricane has his sights on the target.
Hurricane. Setting him up.
Breaker. Will that keep Doink grounded?
2. And that's it. New champ. New champ.
Here is your winner, and the new ECW Television Champion, the Hurricane.
A night and title change we will all remember for a very long time.
Talk about history in the making. This is literally for the